Hey, what's up, everybody? You see this picture I'm holding in my hand? This is a picture of white people wearing blackface in Amsterdam, Holland. Yes, all over Holland, they do this tradition during Christmas. It's called Santa Claus and Zwarte Piet, meaning Black Peters. So they say that Santa Claus goes to the chimneys with his helpers, and the helpers turn black, but not Santa Claus. So they have a parade all around Holland every Christmas, regardless of the black people being offended. They still do this shit every year, and they call it's tradition. Are you fucking kidding me? So the people from Suriname, from Curacao and the Caribbean islands, all the black people are protesting this shit because they keep doing this shit every year. Yo, this is fucking a travesty. Look this shit up. Everybody look it up. Spread this fucking video around because we got to stop this shit. This is bullshit. Blackface? Come on, white folks. Enough with this bullshit. You think it's a fucking game. Enough with this. Zwarte Piet. Fuck.